Here I have Oppo RX17 Neo, and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, scroll down, find and select additional settings, and then go to date and time. Here you have two options. You can either have an automatic date and time, or you can switch it off. Just tap on this icon, and now you can set time and date manually by yourself. So let's change the date and time, and if you will go back, the new date and time will be set. You can also select time zone manually, so just go to time zone and then select the one that you would like to have. And you also can change the format of your clock, so you can either have a standard one, the 12-hour format clock, or you can turn on the option for 24-hour format clock. If you would like to go back to automatic date and time, just tap on the switcher. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.